Managing business workflows efficiently is crucial for organizations looking to streamline operations, improve productivity, and reduce manual inefficiencies. Many companies struggle with disorganized processes, slow approvals, and inconsistent task tracking, leading to missed deadlines and communication gaps. Kissflow is a cloud-based workflow automation and business process management platform designed to help businesses automate tasks, streamline approvals, and create structured workflows without the need for coding. Whether you're managing HR approvals, procurement requests, IT service tickets, or finance workflows, Kissflow simplifies process automation with its intuitive drag and drop interface, powerful integrations, and AI driven insights. In this video, we'll explore Kissflow's key features, highlight its benefits, and explain why it's a top choice for businesses aiming to improve efficiency and digital transformation. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the no code workflow automation. Kissflow allows users to create and customize workflows using a simple drag and drop builder. Businesses can automate processes such as leave requests, purchase orders, expense approvals, and customer service tickets without needing technical expertise. This reduces dependency on IT teams, accelerates workflow creation, and enables quick adjustments to business process changes. Another key feature is the customizable forms and data fields. The platform provides customizable form builders where businesses can create forms with text fields, drop downs, attachments, and validation rules to collect structured data. This ensures accurate data capture, reduces errors, and allows flexibility in gathering information based on business needs. Another key feature is the automated task assignments and notifications. Kissflow automates task assignments based on predefined rules, ensuring that right people get notified at the right time. Users receive real time email, SMS, or in app notifications when an action is required. This speeds up approvals, reduces bottlenecks, and enhances team collaboration across departments. Another key feature is the role based access and permissions. With Kissflow, businesses can define user roles and permissions, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access or modify workflows, protecting sensitive data. This improves data security, ensures compliance with company policies, and enhances workflow accountability. Another key feature is the AI driven analytics and reporting. Kissflow provides real time reports, dashboards, and AI driven insights that help businesses monitor workflow efficiency, identify bottlenecks, and optimize processes for better productivity. This enables data driven decision making, improves process visibility, and helps businesses optimize workflow performance. So, why is Kissflow a great choice? Kissflow is an ideal solution for businesses looking to eliminate inefficiencies, automate repetitive tasks, and improve collaboration across departments. Unlike traditional workflow management systems that require coding and complex configurations, Kissflow offers a no code, user friendly interface that allows non technical users to create and manage workflows with ease. One of the biggest advantages of Kissflow is its automation first approach. which eliminates the need for manual follow ups and paper based approvals. HR teams can automate onboarding processes, finance departments can streamline invoice approvals, and IT teams can manage service requests effortlessly. By automating these workflows, businesses can reduce errors, improve process transparency, and enhance operational efficiency. Another reason why Kissflow stands out is its flexibility and scalability. Businesses of all sizes, whether startups, SMEs, or large enterprises, can customize workflows based on their unique operational needs. The platform's role based access control ensures that sensitive business data remains secure and compliant with industry standards. Additionally, Kissflow's AI powered analytics and reporting tools provide actionable insights into workflow performance, helping organizations optimize their process efficiency. So, for businesses with remote or hybrid teams, Kissflow's mobile accessibility ensures that employees and managers can stay connected and complete approvals on the go. Ultimately, Kissflow is a powerful and future ready workflow automation solution that enables businesses to digitize operations, improve productivity, and create a more agile work environment. So basically, Kissflow is a game changer in workflow automation, offering businesses an efficient, no code solution to manage processes, reduce bottlenecks, and enhance collaboration. With its user friendly interface, powerful automation tools, AI driven analytics, and seamless integrations, it helps organizations streamline operations and drive digital transformation. Unlike traditional BPM tools that require extensive setup and maintenance, Kissflow empowers non technical users to build and modify workflows with ease. So, if you're looking to automate repetitive tasks, optimize workflow performance, and scale business processes, Kissflow is the perfect solution. So, start using Kissflow today to enhance productivity, accelerate approvals, and transform your workflow management. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.